How's that rib, Lizzie?
How's that rib, Pebbles Flintstone? I want my baby back ribs.
Is it good?
That's the quietest you've been all day.
Is that good? What is that?
Apple.
What is it?
Apple.
Meat? Rib? Wow. You're destroying that thing. You have to brush your teeth after this. Say, good? Nope.
You chewing it all off the bone, are you? Sucking out the marrow just about. Wow.